So do you guys also happen to have those dark hyperpigmentation spots on your skin, and they tend to get worse during summer or your winter tropical vacation or whatever? And once they appear, they are really tricky to get rid of. And I know you are into skincare like I am, and you're using sunscreen to protect yourself, but although sunscreen kind of helps you to avoid hyperpigmentation, but unfortunately it won't help you to get rid of it. And that is why in this video we will talk about the best products to get rid of this hyperpigmentation, so stay tuned! And before we begin, let's quickly sum up the previous video about hyperpigmentation. And the first thing you need to know is that you have to wear sunscreen. It's almost in every video of mine, but you really have to wear sunscreen, especially if you have hyperpigmentation and if you want to get rid of it, if you want to make it better. Because if you really are not ready to wear sunscreen, and if you're not ready to stay away from the sun, at least for the midday hours, there's no point to even watch this video, there's no point to even start the treatment, because okay, you're treating your hyperpigmentation, you are applying vitamin C serum twice a day, but then you go out and sun will make it worse first, and then yeah, the sun will cause the other hyperpigmentation spot to appear. So there is no point to do it if you want to tan. And I really get it, guys. Bronze skin, fresh look. The look like you are just back from your vacation, from your Hawaii trip. And yes, I get it, but you have fake tan. I use fake tan, and I totally recommend you using fake tan. Nobody will tell, actually. So let's talk how pigmentation works. There is an enzyme called tyrosinase, and tyrosinase produces melanin. Melanin is a skin darkening pigment, and sun can trigger melanin production. That's why being out in the sun can make your hyperpigmentation worse and cause the new spots to appear. And sun is probably the most common factor to cause hyperpigmentation, but it's not the only one. It can be the underlying disease, it can be medication, the side effect of medication, it can be vitamin deficiency, and that is why you need to really go to a doctor and take some tests before you start treating, because you need to know the cause so you can treat it right. There are also different types of hyperpigmentation. There are age spots or sunspots from sun exposure. There are masks of pregnancy or melasma. And yeah, with pregnancy, your skin is more sensitive towards the sun, but it also can quickly disappear after you're giving birth. So yeah, with pregnancy, don't be too dramatic about your hyperpigmentation, but be sure to always wear sunscreen anyways. So, and the third one is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It's when you have the pigmentation spots after having a pimple or acne, and yeah, those dark spots on your skin, which are like scars. And yeah, if you have a scar and if you get a sun exposure on your scar will darken. And that's why you always need to protect your wounds. And yeah, pimples, if you are popping your pimples, these are wounds, and yeah, you need to protect them. And in my last video about hyperpigmentation, I talked about the group of tyrosinase inhibitors, and they are actually the most researched ones also. And tyrosinase inhibitor, they're inhibiting the enzyme called tyrosinase, so they're stopping, basically they stop melanin production, and yeah, they stop pigmentation. And these are, for example, the most famous one, hydroquinone, vitamin C, arbutin, kojic acid, azelaic acid, and licorice root. Hydroquinone is of course the golden standard to treat hyperpigmentation, but with this one we also have it only with prescription here, and I totally agree with this, because with this one you really need a supervision. Either you need to talk to a pharmacist or you need to talk to a dermatologist, and you need to be in a contact with the person, because it really has a lot of side effects, and you need to really be precise applying hydroquinone only on your hyperpigmentation spots. And yeah, avoiding the sun is like must. So yeah, we will be not talking about hydroquinone here. And let's start with vitamin C. I don't know about the sponsor of this fall. I think it's vitamin C, because I talk about this vitamin C every single video, and I mean it's not sponsored by Polish Choice or any anything or anyone else. but yeah, I really like the vitamin C this fall, guys. It's the Paula's Choice C15 booster, super booster with 15% vitamin C and with vitamin E and ferulic acid. These are free of the very powerful and great antioxidants. And yeah, I was talking about vitamin C in the antioxidant, anti-aging video because it's great antioxidant. It will help you with premature aging. So this one you're supposed to use on its own twice or once daily, or you can boost. That's where the name comes from. You can boost your moisturizer or your favorite serum. Just don't mix it with acids. Any other ingredients, yeah, you're just welcome to mix it with everything, just not acids. So yeah, I've been using it on its own, and yeah, it's pretty potent. It's pretty much strong serum, pretty strong serum, I would say, but I don't know, my skin is tough. I've been going to microneedling sessions, I've been going to acid peelings, and yeah, I mean, my skin is tough, guys, and don't be like me. Test it out, try to mix it, try to use it on its own, see how you like it, if you want to have this. I don't know. The one con of the serum is that it's pricey, and all the serums with ascorbic acids are really pricey. I got it as a gift from Paula's Choice after posting my dramatic video on TikTok about my retinol being finished. You know, the point was that Paula's Choice products are really pricey, and that's why I'm so dramatic. So yeah, I got to test out all of their bestsellers after this TikTok, so it was cool. And Paula's Choice is not sponsoring this video or anybody or anything else. This is not sponsored. So yeah, ascorbic acid, the active form of C vitamin, is pricey, but there are vitamin C derivatives and they are a lot more affordable, but they are not as potent. So yeah, the results won't be as dramatic as with ascorbic acid, but at least they are more stable, they're easier to formulate with, and yeah, they are more affordable. And of course I have an affordable alternative for you guys, and it's 15% vitamin C in EGF serum. EGF is another antioxidant. Vitamin C itself is an antioxidant which will help you fight free radicals, and it's great because it will prevent the premature aging too, hyperpigmentation, preventing aging, and also it can boost the collagen production. And the INCI list for 30 milliliters, it's only 12.70. Oh, wait, it's with the some sale now. Yeah, so it will be $15.99 without the sale. And the next one, guys, is gonna be the azelaic acid. For me, it's the skincare star ingredient. It's very underrated, and I don't know why so, but azelaic acid is really amazing. This is all I have for now. I have the mini from Paula's Choice, and yeah, I really love azelaic acid because it's really amazing, guys. Not only it will help you fight hyperpigmentation, but it's also anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, which is amazing for oily and acne-prone skin. You can also use it while breastfeeding or if you're pregnant. It's amazing. You have so little ingredients, active ingredients, I mean, to use during pregnancy. So basically you can just hydrate your skin and use azelaic acid. Is just, for me, it's a star, guys. For me, it's a star ingredient which you can use every day, and you can use it even twice a day. Yeah, no TikTok. And I have a video about azelaic acid. It's here if you want to see it. It would also be in the description box down below. And what else I can add is that it really greatly calms down redness. So if you have rosacea, this is your friend. So the two great serums I've tried is, the first one is from The Ordinary. It's 10% azelaic acid. It is great. The only thing I didn't like is that they have a lot of silicones in the formula. I actually don't mind if they have a little bit of silicones in the formula, in creams or in the serums. I don't care, but this one had a lot actually, and if you have multiple products with silicones, for example, in your moisturizer also and in your foundation, you will likely get peeling, you know, when you experience this peeling on your skin, the foundation starts and moisturizer starts to peel from your skin, and this happens if you have multiple products with silicones. But if you don't, you honestly should not care about this. Silicones are great for skin. They are not causing any harm or anything else. Like we thought like a couple years ago, everything was like silicone free, please go silicone free. Probably if you have curly hair, you would like to avoid silicones in your hair care products, but if you don't, they, yeah, just wash them off. Use the clarifying shampoo to wash it off, and that's normal. As well on your skin, guys, you are washing your face, at least I hope you do. So yeah, silicones aren't bad. But yeah, for me it was just a lot of silicones and it felt like a primer, but I still finished this and it was great. I really like it. Probably I won't repurchase it, but it was really great, affordable azelaic acid. I will insert the price here. And this one is from Polish Choice. I got a mini as a gift and I tried it. It's really great. The formula is amazing. Not only it has azelaic acid, it also has the licorice root and salicylic acid, so it's really great for your texture and the hyperpigmentation. It has like 2 ingredients to fight hyperpigmentation, the azelaic acid and licorice root. So I mean, it's pricey. Polish Choice products are pricey, but they are so worth it, so worth the price, because the formulas are outstanding, guys. Yeah, so if you can splurge on these products, probably Polish Choice is the one of the best brands to splurge in. And of course, guys, I have an affordable product for you. It's redness relief solution from the Inky List. Inky List, amazing. I don't know, I adore Inky List because the ingredients perfect, the prices amazing. Overall, everything is amazing. They are educating you on every packaging. They have so much information. I'm a fan, Inky List. I am a fan. So this is the redness relief solution with 10% azelaic acid. It's also slightly green. So if you have redness, the green kind of cancels the redness, the red color, green cancels the red color. So if you have redness and you want to hide it, go for the concealers or CC creams with slightly green undertone, and yeah, this looks magic. So yeah, azelaic acid from the Inky List, and it costs $17.99. Amazing, for 30 milliliters. And we'll be finishing with not so popular ingredients. It's called kojic acid. It's hard to find, and if you find it, it's kind of expensive. So I was really researching the kojic acid products for you guys and for me also. So I actually saw this Burst Weekend Glow Brightening Solution and I read the ingredient list, and oh my god, guys, it's perfection. It's really an amazing product. I don't know how it's possible, but it's really great. You have everything in one, but it has one problem. But let me say you what ingredients it has. It contains witch hazel, glycolic acid, lactic acid, niacinamide, azelaic acid, and kojic acid, as well as green tea extracts, and they are all great for fighting texture and hyperpigmentation, but also is packed with antioxidants. The only con is that this product contains glycolic and lactic acid. These are AHAs, alpha hydroxy acid, exfoliating acids, and you cannot use these acids every day. Maximum is like 1 to 2 times a week, so you cannot use the solution every day. But if you want to treat your hyperpigmentation, you probably need to find something that you can use every day. So this one is a great solution to use, like to maintain your hyperpigmentation free situation. But if you really have the spot, I would stick to vitamin C serum or azelaic acid serum. And actually we haven't covered the alpha arbutin. The Inky List alpha arbutin serum, which helps you to fade dark spots. Arbutin is also the tyrosinase inhibitor, and from the Inky List you get it for $12.99 for 30 milliliters, and also the second affordable brand that has arbutin. So yeah, Ordinary has the alpha arbutin 2%, and it also has ascorbic acid 8% and alpha-arbutin 2%. For 30 milliliters, you get the ascorbic acid plus alpha-arbutin and alpha-arbutin itself for 11.90 euros. Amazing. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. I hope you found what you wanted to find in this video. I hope you will find a great product to get rid of your hyperpigmentation and to avoid hyperpigmentation. Don't forget to use your sunscreen, guys. Every single day, use your sunscreen every single day. I mean it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because this is how I really see that you like my content, and this is how I see what I really need to work on. And thank you anyways. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.